I bring to you another screenshot, from screenshot to reality. That is what I call in my unboxing. Well, this is an unboxing. It's a review of a pair of beautiful shoes by Christian Louboutin. However it is pronounced, all I know is that the N is silent. So, now can we guess the color? Guess the color, guess the color. It's hint, I'm wearing the color. That's the hint. Now it comes with 2 dust bags for each shoe. And come closer, come closer. And I just can't pull myself away. Under her spell I can wear. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. This is called the Hot Chick. Let me come out of the camera. This is called the Hot Chick Sling Bag. So that is it. This is 100mm heel height. This runs small to size. Am I correct? Yeah, this runs small to size, and these are the details. They have it in black, nude color, red. That's what I know for now. And whoopsie, very classy, very demure, very. This can be worn with anything, with a pair of jeans, with a dress, with literally anything. And this is not the forever sole, not the forever red sole.